Your company relies on quality data for accurate decisions and responsible AI. As data grows, so do the risks of unhealthy sources, leading to incorrect and costly business decisions, regulatory fines, and redundant data volumes. With Collibra Data Quality and Observability, you can quickly monitor, validate, and report on the health of your data, delivering trusted inputs for AI and actionable analytics for business teams. Avoid writing endless rules with automated rule generation for fast, targeted quality checks. Identify outliers with anomaly detection to get full visibility into unknown issues. Evolve with unexpected changes using adaptive rules for more flexible monitoring, even as your data grows in size and scale. Create ease for business users to take self-service ownership of data quality by using rules built with natural language, eliminating the need for heavy code interfaces. Visualize your data health with automated reports that generate insights to identify the most critical efforts to pursue and increase your return on investment. Monitor, certify, and validate your data health with Collibra Data Quality and Observability so you can deliver more accurate, consistent, and reliable business outcomes.